Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid cream on your face. First, understand that hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the environment into your skin. This helps to significantly boost hydration, making your skin feel soft and look more supple. For best results, always apply hyaluronic acid cream to slightly damp skin. This provides the molecule with existing moisture to bind to, enhancing its hydrating effects and preventing it from drawing moisture from deeper skin layers. To begin, cleanse your face with your preferred gentle cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities. After cleansing, gently pat your skin with a clean towel, leaving it slightly damp, not soaking wet. This crucial step ensures the hyaluronic acid has surface moisture to bind with, maximizing its hydrating power. Next, take a small, pea-sized amount of hyaluronic acid cream onto your fingertips. Remember, a little goes a long way with this potent ingredient. Once you have the cream on your fingertips, gently massage it evenly across your face and neck using upward strokes. Be sure to cover all areas, avoiding direct contact with your eyes. After applying the hyaluronic acid, it is essential to follow up with a good moisturizer. This acts as an occlusive layer, sealing in the hydration and preventing moisture loss throughout the day or night. Consistent use, either once or twice daily, will yield the most noticeable improvements in skin texture and hydration. For optimal product longevity, store your hyaluronic acid cream in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Always perform a patch test if you have sensitive skin, and discontinue use if you notice any irritation, redness, or discomfort. Your skin's health is paramount. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh scent. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals to enhance your daily life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.